There are lots of convenience stores around Japan, and going into one during your stay is inevitable. Hello, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will teach you some of the common sentences which could be heard when you go to a convenience store. Convenience stores are found everywhere in Japan, and because of its number, it has become a part of every Japanese daily life. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。Usually, we go to a convenience store to buy something to eat or something to drink. Onigiri or rice bowl is one of the on-the-go food which are commonly bought in convenience store here in Japan. One onigiri usually ranges from 100 to 200 yen. The following is an example of the situation which you might encounter when you visit a convenience store. You might find these sentences useful when it's your time to visit. いらっしゃいませ。こんにちは。145円になります。This means, hello, that will be 145 yen. Literally, なります is the honorific version of to become, but this word is also used when someone gives something as a sign of respect, like in this situation, staff to a customer. はい。You say this while handling your money. This means, here you are. こちら、おにぎりは温めますか? This means, do you want me to reheat the rice bowl? The word こちら is used to indicate something that a salesperson is currently holding. If your answer is yes, please say はい、お願いします or just say はい。If not, please say いいえ、大丈夫です or just say いいえ。This means no thanks for いいえ、大丈夫です。You may also say 結構です。ポイントカードはお持ちでしょうか? This means, do you have a point card? はい。Just present your point card while saying はい。And if you have none, just say いいえ or ないです。レジ袋は有料ですが、お付けいたしますか? This means, would you like to avail a plastic bag, which will cost you an extra? お付けいたしますか is the combined form of Hambo language いたす and interrogative か? If you do, please say はい、お願いします。If you don't want to, please say いいえ、大丈夫です。Or you may also say 結構です。This is an easy way to walk yourself through buy something in the convenience store. I'm sure that as you do it, you will be more familiar with it and will be sounding more confident. Let's look and listen at the conversation one more time. This time without the explanation. いらっしゃいませ。こんにちは。145円になります。はい。こちら、おにぎりは温めますか? はい、お願いします。はい。いいえ、大丈夫です。いいえ、結構です。ポイントカードはお持ちでしょうか? はい。いいえ、ないです。レジ袋は有料ですが、お付けいたしますか? はい、 お願いします。いいえ、大丈夫です。結構です。I hope that this episode will be helpful to you once you find yourself in a similar situation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you in our next episode. またね